Hello students, today we discuss about how to solve logical equivalence problem by using law of statement algebra presented by Dr. R. Dinesh Babu. Okay, let us see one example. Show that the given statements are logically equivalent to each other by using law of statement algebra, otherwise law of proposition. How to solve this problem? Let us consider the left hand side expression. We want to prove right hand side expression, that is negation P, by using law of statement algebra. Students, if you want to know more details about law of statement algebra, please refer my previous video lecture. So here, using any one of the statement algebra, we are going to simplify left hand side expression. We want to show that right hand side value, that is negation P. So we take left hand side expression. What is left hand side expression? P then Q and P then negation Q. Okay. First I am going to simplify this expression by using equivalent law. What is equivalent law? We know P then Q. It is equivalent to negation P or Q. So here I am going to apply equivalent law for second expression. So we can write the second expression is P then Q and negation P or negation Q. How to write this expression? By using equivalent law. Once again, we are going to apply equivalent law for this expression. So we can write this negation P or Q and negation P or negation Q. So now I am going to apply distributive law for this expression. So what is distributive law? P, R, Q and R. It is equivalent to P, R, Q and P, R, R. Here, so coming to right hand side expression, P, R, P, R is common. So we take outside. So we get P, R. Remaining value you can write here. That is nothing but P, R, Q and R. Coming to here we have negation P, R, negation P, R is common. So you take outside. So we get negation P or remaining values you can write here, that is Q and negation Q. So we get negation P or Q and negation Q. Okay, now we know what is inverse law. Inverse law is nothing but P and negation P, that is equivalent to false. So here we have Q and negation Q. We can write this expression is negation P or false. And also we know one of the law, that is identity law. What is identity law? P or false equivalent to P. So we can write this negation P or F is nothing but negation P by using identity law. Okay, so we get right hand side expression, that is negation P. Therefore, the given statements are what? Logically equivalent to each other. Okay, students, I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you. Who have not subscribed the channel 60 times, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get the new information. Thank you.